Hey guys, Mr.III here, and in today's video I'm going to use your comments to actually try and clear up these foggy headlights. So if you haven't watched any of my videos, I'll put the little thing up above or even down below in the description. So we're talking about my Sylvania headlight restoration, and then there's also one I've put, some do's and don'ts. So from that one, a viewer commented to use isopropyl alcohol to try to clear up these drip lines. And now I know it's after, a few years, so it may not work, because before I screwed up, it was tacky. I had to resand it and put it again. That was a pain. And then another viewer commented to use just compound instead of, buying one of these kits. So I had some, old compound in the garage. I don't think it's gonna be that bad, but we're gonna use some of these attachments here, put it on a drill, and hope it works. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and comment some other methods or kits that you have used that actually worked to bring these things from old to new. All right, just performing that quick cleanse here. Gonna put some of that alcohol there and wipe down the headlight. Which I feel just more of a cleaning preference. But yeah, it won't take off anything. It's not that strong. But it could have actually worked right when it was still tacky, when I had my imperfections. But hey, it's cleaning up the headlight. So now let's go use the compound, which my fingers are crossed that one should hopefully work. All right, got that on my drill here. Give the bottle a little shake and see if I can pop it open. There we go. A little of that there. Move it in that sponge some. And I don't care about making a mess. I'll clean it up later after I wash the car. There we go. Looks good. And a little more for good measures. So if you have any comments, put them down below of methods that worked for you. I would love to read them and try them out if I have something to try them out on. All right, let's get drilling. All right, so let's go try out the more hazy one on the other side. All right, so I was actually shocked how it worked out. I even did my sister's car over here, so that's how the headlights look now. Even though you didn't see them before, but they were the same way as this one. But I'm not sure how long the compound will last on there, but as you can see, this is still the driver one, which was really bad before. It looks way better. I mean, you still see the drip marks there, so the other theory didn't work there for that guy. But in general, I am pleased with the outcome. But in the future, I'm gonna probably do the same step again, bring it back, or even do a little light sanding. And then I'm actually gonna use the 3M clear bra. So gonna have that protective on there, and then that should be good, because I don't know if that ever gets foggy, you just peel it off and put it on again. Here's the passenger side, and as you can see, that almost looks flawless. I'm actually very happy. And this is gonna work perfect for tonight's video. I'm gonna be actually recording some brand new Oxydo LED headlights. It's supposed to be their brightest, so subscribe to the channel to see that video. So again, thank you for watching. Comment more ideas and stuff I can try out. I really appreciate it, and you guys have a good one. Mr.III out.